Hey-o! We did it! All right, today on Unpacked, we have another little surprise that showed up at the studio. We were not expecting this to be an unboxing project, but it is. We ordered a few months ago a phone booth for the studio here just to give us a little bit of privacy from a company named Room. And these are not budget items, but we still really didn't have any expectations. We just thought it was going to come in boxes and we either just stand it up or put it up or do whatever. But it showed up here today on a pallet as 5 boxes. All right, so this is, the brand is called Room, and they're based out of New York. They do talk about sustainability. They say that each booth uses soundproofing materials made out of over 1,000 recycled plastic bottles. Cool. And then they ship it flat. So our product ships flat in 4 flat boxes. 5. To make delivery easy, no matter the destination. All right, so that's really all we know about the brand. There really was minimal expectation. So we got these 5 boxes today, not 4, and cut them open. And right away the team said, "Whoa, this is cool." I mean, starting right here with the outside. Now this is what we call very much utility packaging, right? You're not expecting as a consumer for this thing to come in something crazy. You're expecting a box, maybe some wrap and some other stuff. But right here on the outside of the package, they started really cool. They've numbered and labeled each of these boxes very clearly. So it says 1, floor and accessories, start with me. And then this is 5, that's a wrap. On this thing we have, in kind of a strange order, 4, 2, 3. You would think they would flip it, but there must be a reason from fragility that they did not. But we cut the straps off of it, and let's show you guys what's inside, because that's where things get cool. And this is really what's so impressive. So what you can see is a lot of what is happening is super cool. One, they just have this little accent where they've brought the corners of the boxes around and brought the Room brand into the pack, which is cool. They've done some contrasting white border with the brown interior, but it's this interior that is all segmented. It's printed, clearly labeled. Everything is super organized. That to us was so impressive. And you know, every part has its place. You know exactly what it is. It is well protected. And so they've designed these things to be super form fit, and I am not concerned about damage on any of this. Now we'll see, and maybe we'll come back to it after we unbox the whole thing and see what it looks like. But right out of the gate, just the first one we opened, super impressed with how they've taken this utility packaging and brought it to life. Not everybody can afford to do this, and again, this is a $4,000 to $5,000 item, but talk about surprise and delight, and just really protective, impressive, clear packaging. Even this here, toolbox and assembly manual. So as we open this thing up here, it says one last thing. Everything in here is labeled, which is super cool. How to take care of your booth, general product information, safety instructions. Okay. And then we had already taken this out. This is the assembly manual that came with it. Not the nicest, just a photocopied, stapled together, pretty junky manual. But this right here, the bolts are all clearly in their own separate compartments. And then right here, the only tool you'll need, and it gives you this very pretty, this is the prettiest Allen wrench I've received from any product. But gosh, even the way that they have designed this insert and like, holy cow, they've quadrupled it over to give that little support structure for this Allen wrench. really impressive for utility packaging. I've never received a piece of furniture like this. So that is Room and their box, and it encourages and challenges me that brands that are even doing utility packaging can do some cool things to impress, to surprise and delight, even if it is just for assembling furniture. All right, that's all on Unpacked. If there's anything you've seen that's cool, let us know, and we'll open it up for you.